Hi, today we're doing a double demo. The device on the left is the USB to ESP-01 and 01S programmer. On the right is the ESP-01S. And what we're going to do is, if you'll notice, this has two positions. That's the program, that's the run. So we're going to connect this in and get ready to plug it into our device. Now, this device uses what's called a CH340 driver. It may already be installed on your computer, it may not. If you notice, there's no activity on the LED. I'm going to move over here and take a look at this blink sketch right here, just so you can see that with the new IDE, you have different options when you choose generic ESP-01 and 8266 module. The built-in LED, you now have a wide variety of ports you can choose. This is one of the problems with the ESP-01S, is it sometimes used a different built-in LED pin, which caused people to think it wasn't working. So we're going to go ahead and upload and compile. We're going to get a dual angle here so you can see when it starts writing. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, so it's done a hard reset and you're thinking, okay, why isn't it blinking? There's that problem I keep talking about. No. Remember, we have to flip the switch to run. We reinsert it. Lo and behold, it's blinking. That's the USB ESP-01 and 01S programmer and an ESP-01S. Thanks for watching.